teach you how to play your fashion hair beater. Now, open it in the box. Now, this is the fashion hair beater. This is the instructions. This is the second instructions. Yeah, that is the instructions. Now this is the comb. Just wait for it. Now this is the hair bender, and this is the beads. And this is all the requirements used for the fashion hair beater. Okay, now first we start. I'll see first my box of fashion hair bender. This is the first box of my fashion hair bender, and this is the second, or it is the back. It is the back of the box. Now, this is first the instructions. Now this is the beater hook, and this is the beads with its comb and the clip. Now this is a beautiful girl. Now this is 5 plus ages. Now I am 8 years old already, so 5 plus means 5 up. Now this is girl skater, no boys. Boys is only a car or many boys, but this is girl only, because it is girl skater. Now we will start now. First here instructions. Now this is the hair beater. Now the heart there, you can see that this is a lever, and this is the beater hook. And so this is the whole body part. This is called the hair beater. Now you can see, you can use any beads with magic hair beater that fit over hair beater hooks. Try all kinds of styles. Try mixing and matching colors. Magic hair beater, easy to use. The magic hair beater is easy to use. Very easy. Now first we're going to comb your hair. Now this is a girl. This is a girl, that beautiful girl that has a many beads. Now, Diane is going to play, and she's playing her own fashion hair beater. Now, I have a fashion hair beater too, and she has that, and Diane has 2. So she make it. This is Diane. She make it with her own. So she is now 6 years old. Now she play for it by herself, because she has a fashion hair beater. Now this is Diane. Now she is Diane. She has Diane Wisconsin, and I am Lauren Brand. So as you can see, I am Lauren Brand, or you can call me Lauren only. Do not mind. And you can call it Diane. No limp cousin, because she is Diane only. Now, to play, this is how to play. I use it and there. Few minutes ago, got like this. Now that is it. So her hair is straight. Straight hair. This is first this shape, but there it's not straight. Now the fashion hair beater, and that is how to play your fashion hair beater. Now it's already okay. You see how to play your fashion hair beater. Now that is how to play your fashion hair beater. Goodbye. And I am Lauren. I am Diane. Goodbye. See you next time. I am Lauren again, and she is Diane again. Now goodbye. We have to be friends. Have a nice day. Hope you like it.